The Google Pixel 10 Pro has once again surfaced online, and this time, the leak gives us a nearly complete look at the device from multiple angles, all except the top and bottom. With the Pixel 10 series shaping up to be one of the most leaked smartphone lines in recent memory, tech enthusiasts are getting a steady stream of sneak peeks ahead of the official launch. Magnifying glass tilted left, a detailed look at the Pixel 10 Pro design. The latest renders, shared via Android headlines, showcase the Pixel 10 Pro in its Obsidian colorway, which features a matte black finish paired with a slightly lighter glossy frame. The design language remains consistent with previous Pixel Pro models, suggesting that Google is sticking to its minimalist aesthetic. Key design highlights include matte black rear panel for a premium feel, glossy frame in a complementary black tone, triple camera setup on the back, accompanied by a flash and temperature sensor. Power and volume buttons positioned on the right side, just like the Pixel 9 Pro. While some may have hoped for a bold redesign, Google appears to be refining its flagship rather than reinventing it, a move that could appeal to loyal Pixel users who appreciate consistency. Artist palette color options, professional versus playful. The Pixel 10 Pro is expected to launch in 4 elegant shades: Obsidian matte black, Jade deep green, Moonstone cool gray, Porcelain soft white. In contrast, the standard Pixel 10 will offer more vibrant and playful colors: Limoncello bright yellow, Indigo deep blue, Frost icy silver. Obsidian shared with the Pro. This split in color strategy reflects Google's trend of keeping the Pro models sleek and professional, while giving the base models a more expressive personality. Calendar launch date confirmed, August 20th. The Pixel 10 series is officially set to debut on August 20th, and the launch event promises more than just smartphones. Alongside the Pixel 10 and Pixel 10 Pro, Google is expected to unveil the Pixel Watch 4, likely with improved health tracking and battery life. The Pixel Buds 2a, a budget-friendly upgrade to its wireless earbuds. A new line of Pixelsnap accessories, which may include cases, chargers, and more. This event could be one of Google's most significant hardware showcases of the year, and fans are eagerly awaiting more details. Speech Balloon joined the conversation. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 10 Pro's design and color options? Do you think Google should have taken a bolder approach, or is the refined look exactly what the Pixel lineup needs? Leave a comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your take. Shopping bags, hot tech deals you shouldn't miss. Looking to upgrade your tech before the Pixel 10 drops? Check out these limited time offers. Mobile phone device money with wings discount link where to buy. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Titanium Gray 26% off Amazon. Google Pixel 9a 20% off Amazon. Motorola Razr 2025 14% off Amazon. Motorola Razr Plus 2025 Pantone Mocha Mousse 15% off Amazon. Motorola Razr Ultra Plus free 1TB upgrade and Moto Watch Fit 23% off Motorola.